A walking tour of the Chelsea neighborhood and the High Line in New York City is a perfect way to explore the contemporary side of the city beyond the typical tourist attractions. Led by a knowledgeable guide, you'll get to discover the hidden gems and decorative corners of Chelsea while learning about the area's rich history and vibrant culture. The tour begins with a stroll along the High Line, an elevated rail line that has been transformed into a unique urban park. As you walk along the elevated pathway, your guide will provide fascinating insights into the history and design of the High Line, which offers stunning views of the city skyline and the Hudson River. You'll learn about the transformation of this abandoned railway into a popular public park, adorned with art installations and lush greenery, and its significance in the revitalization of the Chelsea neighborhood. After descending from the High Line, you'll explore the ultra-trendy meatpacking district, known for its chic boutiques, fashionable restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Your guide will provide captivating narration about the neighborhood's history, from its industrial past to its current status as a trendy hotspot. You'll hear about the iconic buildings, such as the meatpacking district's historic warehouses converted into high-end boutiques and eateries, and the area's transformation into a fashionable destination for locals and visitors alike. Along the way, you'll discover the decorative corners of Chelsea, including its art galleries, street art, and unique architecture. Your guide will share insights into the contemporary art scene, creative culture, and notable landmarks of the area, giving you a deeper understanding of this vibrant neighborhood. Overall, this walking tour of Chelsea and the High Line is a perfect excursion for those who want to go beyond the typical tourist attractions and immerse themselves in the contemporary culture of New York City. With a knowledgeable guide leading the way, you'll uncover the hidden gems, history, and artistic flair of this trendy neighborhood, providing a unique and memorable experience.
You